Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE6 with only 335 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, an onboard computer, and an electronic windshield. Powered by a 1330cc 3-cylinder Rotax engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 95 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7-gallon fuel tank, the SPYDER has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 1,021 pound dry weight and a 29-inch seat height. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts. Both front tires at 830 seconds and the rear is at 930 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This trike has an owner's manual, toolkit, and 2 keys. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.